Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to adjust the price on My Listing on Ticketswap. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap application or your Ticketswap account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Ticketswap. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's facts, and that is how to adjust the price on My Listing on Ticketswap. The first thing I'd like you to do from this homepage is to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include jobs, your tickets, your listings. Go ahead and click on your listings, and that's going to take you to your listings window. Now, if you want to create your listing, go ahead and click on create your first listing and follow through the prompts to create your listing. Now, after creating your listing, once you click on your listing, you definitely see what you have listed, right? You're definitely going to find that under your listing window. So once you find what you have listed, this is how you can adjust the price. Step 1, go to your listing and select the listing you want to adjust. So right under any listing that you have added, you're going to see the manage listing option. So click on manage listing. So once you go to manage listing and you press edit on the selling price, so go to manage listing and then press edit on the selling price. This is it. So click on manage listing. It takes you to this window where you have the details of your event, and then you're going to see the selling price category, and you have the edit option. So select edit, and once you select edit, enter the new selling price and then click on save. Now after this, your new selling price will go live. If someone added a listing to their carts before you change the price, the change will not affect that payment. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.